So we all know the Uber, everybody's Uber ping screen looks the same. Okay, the 3 lines on the lower right-hand corner. Now, this has been my go-to from the first day I started to drive. When I accept a trip, before the passenger even gets in the car, on my way to pickup, I will click the 3 lines on the lower right-hand corner, which will give me the next screen, which it will say no more new requests. Okay, this screen. It will not say go offline. It will say stop new requests. Please, if everybody did this, we would be in such a better place with these guys. Okay, and why? Why do I do this on every single trip? Now, be careful if you're on a streak or if you're on a CRB, consecutive ride bonus. Don't do it because you'll forget and your CRB will burn and you'll cuss me out. So don't do that. Now, I'm autopilot. I do it. The reason I do it is, one, Uber algorithm, if you're driving with the app on and you did not push no more new requests, is seeing you, even with a passenger in the car, as an available car on their system. If your new requests are off, the Uber algo does not see you as available because you're going offline after the trip. Number one. Number two, why create more supply for Uber? Drive around with your app off. This is my last trip. I don't want to do any more trips, right? Every single time. The other thing is, if you're driving into a surge area with your app on, it's going to show you as available. It's going to kill the surge. So don't do it. Go drive with your app off before you even pick up the passenger. Do this. Now, on your way to the destination, short or long or medium, they're going to bombard you with what? Trip radar. They're going to bombard you with new pings, right? Garbage pings from all over the place. This stops that. You will not get bombarded with any garbage pings, and you will not get bombarded with trip radar. The way I do it is about a half a mile before drop-off, because I look at my second phone. If it's surging, I will wait about maybe half to quarter of a mile before drop-off, and I will go into the app with the 3 dots on the lower right-hand side, and I will turn the app on again. 9 out of 10 times, they're going to give me the proper surge. They're not going to ping me with some garbage trip from 8 miles away while I'm going to the destination. And most of the time, it's going to be a short pickup and a decent trip. So if every driver did this while they're on a trip, we would have a much better life, okay? So please, people, try this out for a week, okay? When you accept a request, go to the 3 lines, click, turn new request off, half a mile before drop-off. If you don't have 2 phones, better yet, half a mile before drop-off, turn request on. In the meantime, you will not get bombarded with garbage trips Uber's trying to sell to 50,000 other drivers, okay? So please do
And
this.
on top of that, tell your other driver friends in your area or Facebook groups or anything like that too. So then
you will
they
create
know.
your own surge. I swear to God, you guys will create your own surge, because if, let's say, there are 10 cars in the neighborhood and 6 are on trips, and all these, for my car, willy-nilly with their apps on, are driving around, and Uber system says, oh yeah, I'm going to ping this guy with this trip because he's taking trips. Well, if this button is on and no more new requests, that guy's off the platform. The other guy's off the platform. Now I got down to 4 drivers actually available. And now I have 12 requests coming in. Oh, let's put the surge on, okay? Please do not drive with your apps on. You can do the same thing on Lyft. All you have to do is swipe up, and it's easier, in fact, than Uber. Swipe up and say, no more new requests. Please drive with no more new requests unless you have a streak going on. And even with a streak, I do this because I don't forget. I'm on autopilot. I'm a half mile before I swipe up and then start the new requests again. But again, even on the safety side, Chris, that trip radar is goddamn dangerous, bro. And there's those garbage pings that are bombarding you with, like, you'll be in a surge area, they'll ping you with something 8 miles away, with no surge. I'm like, I don't want those trips, bro. If I'm staying in my zone, which I know I'm playing the game, I want to get another surge trip after a surge trip. So if I accepted this trip because I know the destination is going to provide me with another decent trip, but if I drive with my app on, not only I'm adding to the supply, but I'm also saying to the Uber's algo, yeah, I'm accepting trips. Throw me some garbage. No. This way you stop the safety issue, right? It's safer to drive without hearing all that shit, right? So please, people, try this for a week. There's my tip for the week for you guys.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.